Today we're going to show you how to properly crimp
cable, monofilament, and Spectra. First, remove the protective coating from the cable. Now take the correct size crimp for the cable that you're using and run the cable through it. Make sure it's slightly showing on the other side. Now take the correct hole for the crimp and put your crimp into it vertically as hard as you can. Squeeze down twice, leaving the ends uncrimped to avoid cutting. There you go.
Spectra and dyneema.
First, use the correct dyneema diameter for the crimp that you're using. Feed the line through both sides with a longer tail than usual on the remaining side. I'll explain why in a few seconds. Now, take the crimping tool with the appropriate slot for the crimp that you're using. Crimp firmly at least twice, leaving the ends flared out in order to avoid cutting into the line. Now take the remaining tail and tie an overhand knot to it. Cut and burn the remaining off. If you would like, you could use heat shrink to make it a more streamlined approach.
Talking about crimping mono.
Match the appropriate size crimp with the monofilament that you're using. Push the monofilament through both sides of the crimp. Pull it all the way through and burn the end. This should stop it if it becomes loose and tries to pull back through the crimp. Now adjust your loop and get ready to crimp. Find the right crimping size hole to match the crimp size itself. Now squeeze down firmly as hard as you can twice. This should be good.